If I give you my designer, how you could design them? If I give you my designers, how you could design them? Mr. Designer, what is a designer? My designer. Tell don't make mistake, you can call them style. Extinction time prevents a for the tear. The earlier the better, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size.
Papa, I said good day, sir.
I have heard you the first time. Why are you singing it?
Papa, I know you are angry with me because I came back late. But see, Papa, it's not my fault. Yes, I had to trek because I did not see a direct bus coming to the village. And before I finished my last lecture, it was already late. In fact, Papa, you need to thank God for me because even me, I did not believe I'll come back this early.
So no, I didn't believe it too. I've been thanking God even before you came back. I did a very special thing for you. Look at you. You see how guilty conscience works. He's dealing with you now. I did not ask you any question. You started giving me answers. Did I tell you why you're coming late? Did I ask you? Your guilt is written all over you, but you're deceiving yourself, not me. You think you're deceiving me or deceiving Papa by doing this, and it is you. It's on your head that is going to come. You are Chikobi. Your own lecture is a special lecture that nobody in this community has attended that kind of lecture. A special student, Chikobi. Simply, what's wrong with your trouser? Why is it pulling off?
No, nothing is wrong, Papa. This is just that the under of my trouser seems so heavy, so it brings down my trouser.
Okay, the hem is heavy, made of iron filing, and it's pulling it down. Yes, you should have told me, so that we can remedy it.
No, this one is just swag.
Okay, it's just swag.
Yeah, it's just swag.
I just want to feel this thing.
Okay, Papa, feel it. It's nothing. Papa, stop now! Papa, hey, Papa, cut! Hey, Papa, don't even go there.
Then shut up.
Condemning my jeans now, you're condemning my jeans.
Swag!
Papa, you're stealing my swag.
No?
Papa, what's this now, eh?
I'm increasing your swag.
Papa, you want to... Papa, don't even go there. Don't even go to my jeans. Papa, stop this thing now. You destroy my jeans, swag. You spoil my swag.
Swag! Yes! Is this one not a better swag?
You just spoil
I didn't spoil it, I gave you swag. Are you people not... Didn't you say you were singing reggaeton? What's the time? That is the swag. This is a better swag now, so that we will see the swag. Can't you see it's exposed? And I have warned you times without number. Not to be wearing trousers before naked. That's exactly what you are wearing. You see your naked is one side. Your trouser is going downstairs. Wear any clothes you buy and you wear it without your swagger. Without your swag, I will turn it into swagger. I will turn it into rag. Come buy another one. Where is
or anyone else. How can members of the choir, choristers, be habitants of gossip? It's uncalled for.
Choir master, I'm sorry.
Jesus.
It's just that I don't like gossip.
But shut up! You're a gossip.
I'm not a gossiper. But why was it not the brother that said it? And I told her I was going to. I know what I'm talking about. Ego. She said it. Ego.
Did I tell you that you should tell choir master that he's sleeping with Ify? Did I?
When did that one start? Who told you that Ify and I had... Ify.
I turned the hege for Ishigin Gahu Blacky. Abayabagi. It's a gun one I gossip Ganum now. I know Chana men no Sobano. She take walk on Nina.
I'll get back to you. If you're late, how is she? Why
must I have But you said it. I remember you said when you're ready to better. I know what I'm talking about. You said it. Fool. You are a big fool. What do I do with you? Just shut up. What just happened here now? I know what I'm talking about. Did you see what happened here now? Oh, he denied it though. He first denied it. What happened? Immediately, if he carried her, if he came, what happened? He just abandoned his sanctimonious lecture, his stupid lecture, and followed her. Ify. Never you in your life vow for any man as long as it has to do with Treno, Febu, Otto, Baz, Aquala. Don't even try it. Do you see that?
Put your hands on me. Come on here. What the fuck wrong with you? Look at this one. Hey, yo, Okorocha, man. Tell this niggas to take that damn gun off my back. He don't know who I am, man. What is his problem? Ask him now.
Jumbo, you know their problem. If you had paid your security levy the time others were paying their own, they wouldn't have been there at this time embarrassing you like this.
Can you hear yourself out? Eh? My own brother from the same mother. Can you fucking hear yourself out? You talk this, you call this security, right? Nigga with a damn gun and a machete. Is that what you call security? I ain't seen no machine gun. I ain't seen no AK-47, Tech-9 or whatever. When I see that, then I pay some levy, all right? But as for now, they can get the hell out of my house.
Bia Jumbo, if you like, speak the grammar that Obama has not spoken before. We are here for that money. Security levy, you must pay the money today.
Look at you, man. Don't let your size fool you, nigga. I ain't scared of your height, all right? I don't kill niggas like you before, so you better watch how you talk, because niggas like you bad for my health.
I will blow your stomach before that.
See, Jumbo, if you're broke financially, don't be broke with words. Talk to them with respect. They listen to you. As simple as that.
Okorocha, don't mind him, because you think you came back from America, that you can do anything and get away with it. No pay this money today and see what you go do you.
Look at this one, look at you.
No pay that money.
Putting on black and black. What are you, a motherfucking, you work in a funeral home? Are you an undertaker? Come here and talk to Jumbo. Get the hell away from my face. As a matter of fact, you know what? If your niggas don't disappear from here in the next few seconds, I'll pull my phone. I'm Mr. Bull, man. That's the nigga who I am. The man of the hour that got the power to shower every hour, not no flower. Come here with Mr. Bull, man. That's why. You ain't got nothing, man.
Choir master, what is it? Why can't you leave me alone?
Ifeoma, I came to find out why you've not made up your mind to return to the choir.
So that is why you're shouting at me.
Am I shouting at you? Well, anyway, that's not all I'm here.
What else? What brought you to this place? Tell me.
Ify, you know I love you. And you know I've been wanting to come and see your parents. You can start talking about how to make preparation.
Bros, make I tell you, eh? Me and you not in the same class.
Jesus.
See, I tell you, even if you won't belong to my class, you go write plenty jam. You go write more than 10 times before you go belong to my class. You don't hear her.
God.
Now try to tell you.
If you don't know how it hurts each time you talk to me like this. Only if I can open my heart for you to see the kind of love I have for you. Words alone cannot express the kind of love I have for you. Okay. Why do you always talk to me in this manner?
You will love you. When you don't love you, finish. You will go to your house.
Why are you doing? Come back.
My master, stay there and have love for that place.
If you wait first.
My master, you wait there.
If I'm away.
Nah, not why your job. Stay there, wait.
I don't know why Morocco keeps denying that he has anything to do with that Ify. Why is it that anytime he sees Ify, he'll be messing himself up in front of everybody? Why?
Bora, you have a point too, but I still find it hard to believe that choir master sleeps around.
Why are you finding it hard to believe that choir master sleeps around? Don't worry. By the time he conquers Ify, that's when you see what I'm telling you with this your chameleon brain. That Morocco is nothing but a randy he goat. You see that thing that he has under him? That's why he'll be sharing it to every girl in this village. That's why you understand that anything I tell you, you believe me.
Hey, Deborah. Why
are you shouting my name like that? Stop shouting my name, oh. Do you know that he... In fact, he even tried sleeping with me. It's just that I did not even agree to him.
You see the problem with you? You say different things at the same time. One won't even know which one to believe.
I don't even understand you. Don't worry, you don't need to believe me. Do you know that Ify is planning to marry that Oyibo that is building that Oye bridge? Serious? By the time that is Aquara that do not know who is small and who is big, will now start looking for the girl that he will put it inside. That's when you know that me, Deborah, anything I tell you, you will not believe me. Don't worry, you see when it will happen. When it happens,
Ego, hey! One thing I've noticed about you two Ogbashiri girls is that whosoever you kill, to my heavenly God, only survive if the gods have not signed the present warrant. Come on, Lofuneka, you daughters of this God. Okay, watch out.
God, Shirini. See how he is, See, come. See, if you want to eat, if you come to my house in the morning again, I will tell you that Deborah, in fact, have good on you around because, so what I was telling you, for your master, see, Morocco does not know me, I don't even know why all of you keep quiet for him. Don't worry, by the time I...
Hey, yo, to my brother, from the same mother, I want you to listen to my motherfucking song. I'm just another black man, I'm caught up in the mix. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. I love it when a woman is scared to do a thing, sitting on a bus stop, sucking on a lollipop. And I hate it when the brother hitting on the brother, like my brother, sitting on a cycle, hating me like some kind of buckle. Hey, what's up, nigga?
John Bull, how many times have I warned you not to call me nigga?
Easy, man. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy, big brother. Does that sound better?
What else will I say? The whole of our water town will bear me witness that I have tried a lot to make you change for a better human being. Look at the kind of person you are.
You know what?
Look at the left hand, drink. Look at the right hand, Igbo. Igbo.
All right, brother. You know what it is, man? Just take a sip of this. You're going to feel much better than you've been feeling before, man. I'm telling you. This is all you need, man. All them times you spent worrying about yourself going to be over. I'm telling you, man.
John Bull, keep your drink. I will not drink. I will never become somebody like you. It's not possible.
Just like that?
Yes. Why don't you even go and join the fella people? Since you're smoking Igbo.
You know what? You know and I know that you know and I know that if you take a sip of this, your whole problems will be over. You might stop doing that bullshit. But based on what you do and who you are, you need this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You need this and you're going to be one hell of a sewing ass bitch. Yeah.
Nkita lachaga anya. Nkita lachakwaga onu. For you to call me bitch and crazy. Look at the type of life. In the morning you come out, it's bitch. In the afternoon, goddamn. In the night, man, where are all those leading you to? Nowhere.
You know what? It's all good, man. It's all good, brother. It's all good. Where can I see Shaggy, man?
Not ever try to come close to my son again. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil him for me. The way he is alike, don't infect him.
But that's my nephew, though.
But first of all, my son.
Oh, that's my blood, man.
It can't be the same blood. Look at your hand. It can destroy your intestine. Igbo can make you just go crazy and become a clear.
Why you always want to judge me by my life?
What are you telling me? My son cannot be you. It's not possible. Don't do it again.
Forget my style. Check out my profile. You know what I'm saying? Check out my profile, brother. Forget my style, man. What's my name? Forget the game. Forget the fame. Put them to shame. My advice with people like you.
If you try it, Ekwensu agbala man you defense. Ekwensu agbala man you defense. You know go, oh,
damn. Why is a brother always hating on a brother? And it's not like we're not from the same mother. Come on, man. Is that how you gonna live for the rest of your life? Look at you, man. Wretched ass nigga. I'm sorry for you, man. If you want to live a better life, man, get with me, nigga. Man, I want you to get with me because I'm still balling. Shakalling. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, that's the way, man. You don't need to ask LG. Life is good. You don't need to ask Terry G. Life is good. I'm still balling, man. Jumbo, that's my name. Because I got your motherfucking boo.
According to your size. Everything white and black. Show me your design.
Yes, I go to America. And to any part of the world my job takes me to.
That's very important. You must go to America. Me, I want to go to America.
What's wrong?
Look at the time. I have to start going before my father kills me.
If your father will kill you, why not spend the night here?
Don't even go there. Don't you know my father is a title chief? See, all those Igbo chiefs, they can only allow their daughter to pass a night in a man's house only when the man must have come to marry their daughter or must have come to ask for their daughter's hand in marriage. You've not come now. So, my father will not allow me to stay in your house.
It's all right. You can go. Will I see you tomorrow?
You'll see me tomorrow.
Everything designer. What is a designer? Who is a designer? Can you explain?
What is wrong with what Philip just said?
Everything is wrong with what Philip just said. Fine, your father gave you Philip. That's the only thing to like about you. Your father wanted to show that he has known the white man. But you should be, that thing should help you to put people in class. I am not the same class with Karuba. You know it.
Mbakwe, listen, I can take anything from you, but not insult, though. So not insult, Mbakwe, don't insult me.
Oh, am I insulting you? So you take this one as an insult. When you are comparing me with Garuba, it's not an insult. Garuba, who is just like a carpenter.
Who you be now?
I am a fashion designer.
No, you be Dua.
I am not Dua. I am a fashion designer.
But Mbakwe, you just insulted him.
By what way? In what way? Then why am I wasting time talking to you people? You are wearing hood that covers your head. The only thing you understand is vigilante. So what's my own problem with you?
Mbakwe, anything way you like, make you talk. We all know the truth. You are Dua tell.
Look at my machine. Does it look like ordinary Dua machine? Come take a look at my machine.
I don't blame you because you don't manage by machine.
The only thing you know is about vigilante. Maybe Dua. I don't blame you. Come, who the tap on the machine? Who the got that machine? Come! Who the got that machine?
I think I beg you to stay. Where are you going now?
Have I not stayed long enough? You said till you come back, I've waited till you come back. I'm handing it to you over to collect your money from these two night owls. They have not paid.
Night owls?
Yes. The quick now here. Look at them. Collect your money from them. I'm going to rest.
Are you going home by this time of the day?
I beg your pardon. You want me to continue? No wonder. You are in a hurry to become a widow. Because you think I've kept a lot. You get him a walk.
Hey. Mbakwe. Ya we John ni jeriji eriede. Sham chori we shibe. Eh?
John, it's a ice cream arati. And you are telling me to go and die running around. Do you know the weight of this thing that I carry all around the village? Now you want me to continue to carry it until I die. I want to go and rest, and you are quarreling. Is it not obvious that you want me dead?
Is that why you say I'm making an arrangement to become a widow?
Is it not? Do you want me to die carrying this thing around? I will not die now, sir. Not even think this, but I'm going to die now.
Papa, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm going home.
You're leaving already?
Why are you quarreling with the fact that I'm leaving? I am leaving, and I will continue to live until Mkanka. You want me dead?
Papa.
Mama.
Mama.
I was wondering if something is holding you there. It's chill, huh?
Yes.
That's good, that's good. When I open, you're comfortable with yourself.
Mami! Mami! Mama,
Hey!
How are you?
Hey!
So fine.
Sit down, sit down.
I saw Papa outside.
Your father? Forget him.
Mama.
It's a very good thing, no? But I will advise you not to tell your father for now.
But why, Mama?
Our people said it's only when they cut a hawk that they will say woman does not partake in the meat. Okwa mejidere egbe. Okwa mage kashe. Anwa anye ejele lanu.
Madam, please get me my plate of pepper soup and a plate of nkwobi.
It's true. Oh, sorry, my son. I will get it. Easy.
Continue what you're saying. But I would like you to take care of my son.
Station time prevents a fall of tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size.
Master, the way you're looking at this watch as if you're not sure if this watch belongs to you.
What is wrong with you?
No, what I'm saying is you're looking at this watch like I am very implicit of the fact that this watch belongs to you. But the way you're looking at it as if you're not sure. I'm very sure it belongs to you, Master.
Will you get out of my sight?
Master.
What are you still doing here? Ask you to get out of my sight.
It's okay, Master, don't be angry. You know, Master, I was already out of your sight. If he had not turned now to look at me, you would have not noticed that I'm at your sight. I was already out of your sight.
Will you get out of this room?
Master, this is what you should have said a long time ago. If you had said I should get out of this room, by now I would have been on my way. Do you understand? So please, cool your nerves, Master.
Wait, it's like I hear a sound outside. Go and check. It's like that girl has come.
Master. Ify.
Mr. Man, I say you should go and check.
Is it Ify, Master?
What's wrong with this man? I say you should go and check.
A station time prevents a fall of tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size. Don't make a mistake, you can call them stars. A station time prevents a fall of tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size. Make you not talk, say no, no. But everything where the great time.
Papa, Yamna.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to Mama's shop.
Dressed like this. Your mother does not have a shop. What your mother has is a bar, which is a public place. And I'll be the last man to allow you wear this kind of thing to that bar. You are wearing your half chimney to the bar. Why not remove your singlet and wear your crochet again? Because you want to show them you are beautiful.
Okay, Papa, let me go to the shop. Let me go to the bar. Allow me waste the time.
Ifeoma, do you know why the Arabians, when they want to tie this their headgear, they tie everywhere, including their chin? Do you know why?
I don't understand.
Do you know? Do you know? It is because they want to avoid slap. Since you did not understand it, since Chalo.
Stay.
master himself. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, come on, why are you dressed like that? I've always warned you about this. No.
Saggy swag, saggy swag.
It's not godly. I've always warned you about this.
Fine. Okay, for you now. For you.
Yes. Good.
For you.
I can see you're dressed to school.
Yes.
Let's be going now.
Sir, please, hold on. But the problem right now is I don't even have transport. I don't know if you road jam is not in my take.
Hi, students and money. It's alright. Hi. No. I hope this will do. At least for your clown free.
Oh my God, go do. Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
How is your sister?
She's fine. Sorry, did she tell you that she'll be getting married?
No, we've not discussed today. Wait. Getting married?
Yeah.
Who is she getting married to?
To that white man now. You know that white man that is building that bridge at that junction after the market? If you take that small lane by your left.
The white man?
That white man now is building the...
How can?
I don't understand. When you mean how? Is it how can she marry your white man or how can I give you the invitation card? Eh?
It's okay.
Well, master, this is where fire the falls, so I hope they know Allah.
But wait, see, I've always wanted to get married to her. But how can she just...
Well, master, I know, but you know now, I know they're in the position to talk to my sister to marry you now, eh? But trust me, the truth is that if I wish that you get money past that white man, I swear to God, and you for marry her. But you say you know too who like that.
But is there not something we can still do about this? Is she at home?
No. What will happen is you go. No, you go. We'll talk about it later. Let me just go to school. Choir master.
Designer man.
Designer man. Let me take a cab.
Okay, let me just see you off.
The lobby with you.
Good designer.
Choir master.
Everything designer. Your daughter not designer. Your son not designer. Your machine not designer. Everything design. Your trouble not designer. Your wahala designer. Everything design.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
You want that? Eh? What did I do now? So, if somebody was not here, you would have raped my daughter. Rape!
Chumanuyano.
Next time you're lucky my mother came out. If not, I would have dealt with 2 idiots.
Hey, is it a bad thing that someone saw something very, appetizing in your shop? Appetizing? Even one now, me postra table. Na numrega. Mama buo kwaga. Ngba, nyeme go kirire. Nyeme go kirire shingala. This thing now. Na injustice so. I've not finished my drink. Come on, hurry up. Suppose they sell, chill out. Lufia.
Shake up for.
Let me tell you this for the last time, man. You need to leave me the fuck alone. Go do something with your life, man. Get a job or learn a trade. I don't have the time to teach anybody how to sing, goddammit. Leave me alone, man.
Uncle, I know that ever since you came back, we have not really been close. I know. But my friend Rocky here has told me so much about you. He even said you can help us develop our talents. Uncle, look, don't underestimate us. We love hip-hop. We love hip-hop. We do hip-hop very well, Uncle. Uncle, please, don't allow our talents to die.
Just look at both of us. We are young boys with talent. Just help us. We like hip-hop. Die. We love hip-hop.
Did I hear you say you love hip-hop?
Yeah, we love hip-hop.
What do you know about hip-hop?
Do you know?
My brother, you understand the word hip-hop. Hip-hop is larger than life. There's more to hip-hop, my brother, than meets the eyes, man. I'm not telling you no lies. Hip-hop is joy. Hip-hop is happiness. Hip-hop is anger. Hip-hop is passion. Hip-hop is dream. Hip-hop is life and death. And everything else that comes in between. So when you talk about hip-hop, you better watch your mouth.
Okay. Uncle, what about
swag? Like swag. Yo, shit, man.
Is it part of
something like that?
Like, you know, yo.
Like, what's up?
Now let me tell you where you got it all wrong. A whole lot of all those shit out there that you hear in the name of hip-hop does not represent hip-hop or the culture in any sense of the word. They all wannabes. But you see, I'm getting too old, man. My bones are too weak. I can't do the b-boying no more. With my voice, I can't do the beatboxing anymore. But you see, the good news is this. I still got the strength and vision to teach you guys the rudiments of rapping.
Uncle, I go to teach us.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle.
Hey. Don't be in a hurry. You're tripping already. Let me hear what you got.
Yo, man. Nigga, give me some beat, man. Give me the beat, man. Which beat? I used to do beats now. Yo. I'm Rocky by the name. I come from the street. Reduce the beat. Reduce them small. Just small. And then small. Yo.
Man, cut that shit off. Cut it off. Is that all you know how to say? Yo. Hey, Shaggy Man, let me hear you. Teach this nigga how to flow.
Okay, give me beats. Ukuwanyo were. Wete here about I got no lily. Abata no ball guys appear new game. I chose the big size. I chose belly.
Hey, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, that's good.
Hey, see, you guys got the raw talent. All we need is hard work. With a little bit of hard work, you're gonna blow.
Does it mean that Shaggy here is better than me?
You know what? Y'all niggas don't understand. This game is about who works the hardest. It ain't needs to be a successful rapper. But if you show your mind into it, commitment, dedication, that's all you need. You can be all you can be.
Then I will work my ass up to be the best. I will make you rock. Damn, man.
Uncle, I want to be very big, you know, have this big talent so that if I come outside like this and perform, you know, before I come outside, you know, girls will be taking off their bra. They will be happy. You know, like Philo, like Olamide Bado and
like
Flavor.
I want to be like M.I.
You know, your boy here is a trip, man. Nigga is a psycho. Man, you are not case. Is that all you talk about? Women's bra and shit? Anyway, I think we had enough rap for the day, man. If your niggas got some dough with you, go get something to drink, man. I need to lift up my spirit.
Spirit.
I mean alcohol.
Oh.
Alcohol.
Spirit. I know.
But you know what? Let me close this session to show you why I'm the master.
Okay.
Okay then. Now what you hear is not a test. It's Jambula rapping to the beat. And I'm about to move your fucking feet. So niggas, let's take it to the street so that you can feel my heat. Are you ready for the street?
Good teacher. He was rapping with Tupac before he died.
Nala.
You will live this. Mama, you will live this. It is impossible. This is my village. You will live this. Never. You will live. I have told you. I said, anytime I want, I come here and make my business. Yeah, have I come to your own place to make my business? You will come one day. I don't want to come. You will come. If you come, I will. Did you say that you are quarreling?
Don't get me involved in your fight, I beg.
Nobody is involving you. Nobody is inviting you. I said that any sensible person
should know that when two people are fighting, you should come and separate them.
Nobody can tell me not to come here and make my business.
Yes, because this is not your territory, you should not be here.
Did I ask you people anything? Eh? All I want to see is for you people to fight, kill yourself, kabu, 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 kabu. Then I will now tell you who win and who lose.
You defense.
You are an idiot.
Pashoka Jigi or Ebola. Make your Pashoko turn into Ebola.
Leave my community.
Leave me to go.
Leave my community.
I want to go in peace.
No, you cannot go unless you make that promise.
I will make any promise.
What is the problem?
I told this man to limit his do business in his own community. He will always fit into this community to come and challenge me. This is my territory.
Anytime I see customers here, I will come so their clothes, make my money, put for my pocket.
Have I come to your community before?
You will come one day.
I don't want to come.
What of the other communities? No, Boda.
But why? Ask him. Whatever happens, Allah want to.
Allah want to.
Allah want to.
Come.
If I see customers here, I show their clothes, take their money, put my
Have I come to your own community?
You come one day.
I don't want to
You
come.
will come one day.
Stay in your own.
I will not. Nga by hangerieba. I want to have here. You defense.
You know what?
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Your time.
Wait.
We shall see, Garba.
Where they go now?
Come.
Please, people should come and give me the second round.
You are very stupid. I have seen you. Look at you. Your house face your. After.
Give me the second round first.
Go and button your shirt first. Button it well, idiot.
You will leave it. It is impossible.
This is my village. You will leave this.
Never.
You will. I have told you.
I said. Anytime I want, I come here and make my business.
Yeah, have I come to your own place to make my
You will come one day.
I don't want to come.
You will come. If you come, I will.
Did you say that you are quarreling?
Don't get me involved in your fight, I beg.
Nobody is involving you. Nobody is inviting you. You are saying that any sensible person should know that when two people are fighting, you should come and separate them.
Nobody can tell me not to come here and make my business.
Yes, because this is not your territory, you should not be here.
Did I ask you people anything? Eh? All I want to see is for you people to fight, kill yourself, kabu, 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 kabu. Then I will now tell you who win and who lose.
You defense.
You are an idiot.
Pashoka Jigi or Ebola. Make your Pashoko turn into Ebola.
Leave my community.
Leave me to go.
Leave my community.
I want to go in peace.
No, you cannot go unless you make that promise.
I will make any promise.
What is the problem?
I told this man to limit his do business in his own community. He will always fit into this community to come and challenge me. This is my territory.
Anytime I see customers here, I will come so their clothes, make my money, put for my pocket.
Have I come to your community before?
You will come one day.
I don't want to come.
What of the other communities? No, Boda.
But why? Ask him. Whatever happens, Allah want to.
Allah want to.
Allah want to.
Come.
If I see customers here, I show their clothes, take their money, put my
Have I come to your own community?
You come one day.
I don't want to
You
come.
will come one day.
Stay in your own.
I will not. Nga by hangerieba. I want to have here. You defense.
You know what?
All right.
Okay.
Wait. Your time. Wait.
We shall see, Garba.
Where they go now?
Come.
Please, people should come and give me the second round.
You are very stupid. I have seen you. Look at you. Your house face your. After.
Give me the second round first.
Go and button your shirt first. Button it well, idiot.
If I give you my designer, are you good designer?
Now, Mia, what's your problem?
Hey, just take it easy, baby. Pretty girls don't shout, huh? It's Denzel, it's Shaggy, huh? So what's up, huh? What's your pretty name?
Please, I don't have your time.
What do you mean you don't have my time? Don't call me that old-fashioned, eh? It ain't meant for paparazzis, man. Nigga, you're young and vibrant, huh? Look at me, sugar. Just call me Shaggy. I'm cool with that.
Papa, no more. I'm not your sugar, and I won't call you Shaggy.
Hey, what's wrong with you, man? Why are you tripping? Man, look at there are a whole lot of girls that would jump to this offer that I'm giving to you, huh? What is wrong with you, man? Take me out, man. I'm all cheesed up, huh? Take it easy. Well, it's not like you're up to the kind of girls I roll, but, you know, it's okay. I just want to make you a living legend. I want all the girls to see you and get envy, all right? All right? Can you just relax and chillax for them boys? Huh? Check me out. chillax and relax. Chillax and relax. That's some rap shit. Chillax and relax. You know, that's what I'm talking about, babe. Hey! Susan! Oh, baby, you don't know what you're missing, man. It's all dancing. Come let me ding your dong. Well, you won't listen. Step over to the next client.
Dave, okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Dave, please don't be angry. Dave, please don't be angry. See,
Listen, I asked you, how are you, and you say you're fine.
Yes, sir.
Do I look like I'm fine with the contortions in my face? I am angry. So if I were you, I would suspend whatever I want to ask this man until he's in a better mood. Do you understand me?
But I wanted to ask you about it, Former. But since you said you're not in a good mood, let me be heading to choir practice. Then we'll...
No, wait. You say you want to ask about it, Former?
Yes, but since you said you're not in a good mood, let's leave it.
No, I still want to hear it. Why do you want?
Sir, there's this thing I had wanted to ask her so that we can discuss it, choir master and the chorister.
Discuss. Choir master. Discuss. So you have moved away from teaching people songs in the choir class to discussing with your chorister.
Sir, don't misunderstand me. It's a holy discussion.
What do you mean by holy discussion? You, holy, you know, since they made you a choir master, I've been very, very suspicious. Because I have looked at you from toe to tantra. I know your ilk. You see the way you shave your destiny. Is it holy too? You use clear razor. Show it so that God will see you in good light, or so that women will see you in good light. I know your type. Never you, ever call my daughter's name, not even to mention discussing anything with her. She's about to get married.
I'm sorry, sir.
And I know? I'm sorry, sir. Good.
Master. Master, you're welcome. Thank you, Master. Let me just,
Come. Did you get the souvenirs I asked you to buy?
Master, I got everything.
I hope nothing is missing.
Master, you should trust my ability. You know I don't lack. So everything is intact. I got them right. You understand?
Come. Come with Sit down. What are you doing here by this time?
I thought I should surprise you. And I'm glad I came here and I've surprised you.
What a surprise. That's your father.
Don't bother about my father. Are you not coming to marry me? You don't need to bother about my father again.
Master. Master.
Get out of my sight. Would you like to spend the night here?
Master. Master. Master.
Will you get out of this place?
If you more wine, what
is wrong with this man?
Will
you get out of this place?
Only Lebanese.
Will you get out of this place?
Don't you want me to go and prepare for tomorrow? Our marriage tomorrow, no?
You spend some time.
Yes, are you going to be my husband? Why would I spend time with you? Make your papa go over the Igbo. Oh, chamo.
Good evening, sir. Come back here. Okay? When I was going out, I told you to go and harvest
cassava tubers. I wanted to find out you didn't do anything. Why? Why?
I went to see Uncle JB and he's been teaching me rap music and dance practice.
What practice?
Rap music, Papa.
What are you rapping? What are you rapping? Is it a bantucha? Or a bawoka? Or mama? What are you rapping?
Rap music. Raps like, you know, when we came up to this game, they're not the pay we, but nigga, look at we with the yarn for free, with the smoke some trees, with the...
Hey! You defense. You call this in music. You are calling this in music. Eh? Do you want to end up like Jumbo? Tell me.
Papa, I've told you before, when Uncle Jumbo was doing music, there was no gain in music. Unlike now, I mean, check out the likes of P Square, Olamide Bado, Fino Faino, Tubaba.
These people you mentioned, what is the message in their music?
But they pass good messages.
At least I hear, what is the message for the viewers? For the people who are listening? Tell me.
Papa.
Be useful to yourself. In the next 1 hour, go and harvest the cassava tubers. You know it's from there you eat. Be very careful. Can I be careful? Get out from here. I was not even directing my anger at you. It was Philip. How can Philip open his mouth and tell me that and categorize me on the level of Okorocha? Lebanyan is not himself. Look at the side. No, it's not as if I'm trying to boast, but the real thing is the real thing, whether you want it or not. Akata, I know what's going to happen. When eventually my in-laws come into the picture.
Your in-laws?
I'm going to send Okorocha into oblivion.
Are you trying to tell me that you're going to be this wicked to Okorocha?
No. It's not for Okorocha. It's for me. My in-laws will open a fashion house for me. And then I will employ people. And in that fashion house, I will buy machines. And you will see the class of people, the category of people.
Mbakwe himself. Do you know that from this, what you just said, a lot of our people in this town are going to be employed?
I will become employer of labor in this community.
Mbakwe.
I will call Okorocha to come and be sweeping my fashion house for me. He doesn't know. You know my daughter is getting married. In less than 2 months now.
Mbakwe, what are friends for now? Your daughter is getting married. You didn't bother to let me know. Akata, your friend.
No. Why? Look, you are even one of the first people I'm revealing this thing to. That day, you people, who's going to take charge of security if not you? But I want to make it lie low first.
Okay.
Until I open the thing.
If you say so.
No. You know me now. I don't do without people things that matter. Security and otherwise. Okorocha, how market? Well, market is good. I heard that you were questioning why I was looking for you. Well, I was looking for you because my daughter is about to get married. What a piece of good news.
That's not the good news. The good news is that my daughter is getting married to Adolf, a white man. That engineer that is constructing the bridge at Onoya is coming to be my in-law.
White man?
Yes.
You defense. White man?
Yes.
He will destroy the waist of your daughter because they do it back and front. Ikpa.
It is not my problem because when I come to the bank, it will cancel whatever he did with my daughter. Do you understand?
Are you sure?
I just want to invite you to come here, eat until your stomach moves to that wall. If I drink yourself to stupor, it is free of charge. That is why I'm inviting you. White man, Adolf is not the kind of white man you think. White man. He will do a lot of things for me and my daughter. I don't care.
Let him not engineer to
I'm never good. It doesn't make any sense whether it does. Oh, no, Chuck. Okwamu will come high. You will now find out that there's a big gap between you and me.
The gap is not getting wide. If it's getting to my favor. For example, can't you say I have a new bicycle? I have a bicycle.
Oh, you're even sitting on a bicycle, I forgot. You know, I was looking for a modern thing. You know, if you were sitting in a car, probably I would have noticed.
But jealous.
Don't worry, tomorrow I will go and ride a horse. I'll tell you not to see my new horse.
You're jealous.
It's for the old.
I beg you.
Let me tell you, come and drink, eat. Drink yourself to stupor. You are drinking in the house of a design. This is a design. Can you do this? You are a doa.
Who gave you this clothes?
Who is a designer?
I designed it because white man did.
I got my husband that dog. If he's coming back, he should come with Onyo Chandi here. Yeah, she said that now. When he's coming, he will bring $1 for all of you. Wow. I told him that you people are what? Asasa. I should be garden egu. Oh, garden big. No man, the traditional marriage garden big. Oh, garden big. Oh, garden big. Recola, Asikola Majoge. Of course, I know it's true. Oh, Gary. But are you sure he was sleeping with you alone when he went into the commission? Or was he sampling all the girls from this village? What is the problem? Please don't be angry. I was only asking an innocent question. Innocent. Before I gave you the innocent question, I was telling my Ibemo the sharp, that the traditional marriage What is going on here? Maybe you should ask the people that have been vomiting all sorts of nonsense from their mouth here. Saying how they've not been caught in here, but me have been to Okigwe, I have been to Munaide. Where has she been? She here tell stories and how people will marry them. Maybe you should ask them. Ask them, let them tell you what they did. Ask them, what did you ask them? You are here listening to story. Ask them. Ask them. Ify, what is going on? The thing going on is that now some people are jealousing me. I know that one that some people are jealousing me. They think I will not marry the Oyinbo, but how can me have them now? Please. This is not what we are here for. This is not the reason we are here. If you please, this is not the reason why we are here.
Come back now.
Nonsense. What was even wrong with that question I asked her? There was nothing wrong with what you asked. There was nothing wrong with what you asked at all. You see? And then she was getting so angry as if I did something wrong.
What was she even feeling like, Seth? This marriage that is making her head swell up as if she wants to carry the whole village on her head, eh? That marriage. Hey, go. Wait and see what will happen. Deborah, what will happen? Just wait. Deborah, what will happen?
Mama isn't that bello? Mama.
Hey.
Mama, baby. This one, the isn't is back. Can I go for the dance? Liaza.
One kelerim. Oh, babe. Mbagente man bag. Ihuna. O mi jere jiba chebu. Onwe he gbara. O mangi yegon. Iba ho nyembo me yegon. Kama gi no nga nye na nne aka. Ma ole iji igba egwu.
Onya kpoga gojo. Ihuna egwu na m je gba. Mmucha ya jeze the competition. I ga ho na nga inwe.
Awo kwa
mfe ku ga ho mo mama I ga na ehun ya no. Eji ma gba agi. Ngo me edege ma ya edege mi ga na ehun ya no. Mfe ku ga ho mo.
Nwekwara he ga gba an. Ngba lekwa ụzọ jema. One kelerim ngbe.
Ngba na ma bia na
jema.
Alma ku ai. Ezi abe mana mama imana mbalo aga help gi shi chare da ho aga le chana gi ni the pepper soup gi de na ba gi.
Mama, do you know I spoke to Eche shortly before coming here? Eh? I'm telling you, Mama.
What did he say?
Mama, he was about...
Wait. Let me serve my customer. I am coming, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Just hold on.
Mama, this pepper soup looks nice. Oh.
Yes.
I'll have some fire.
Okay.
Let me help you set the fire.
Your daughter not designer. Your son not designer. Your machine not designer. Everything design.
Oh, you people don't marry an American. There's only for one type of people who marry. Me, I am marrying a dog. A dog. Jealousy people. No. Yeah, Bob.
Who is responsible for this frown on your face?
How is it your business?
Do you know I was rushing to Rosa's house to watch you dance?
As you can see, I am rushing to go watch myself in my father's house. Don't watch me. You can go and watch Rosa and her friends while they dance in that place. I am not watching them. Oh, don't watch me.
Calm down. Calm down and listen. You know, whenever serious issues cease looking like jokes, it calls for an urgent attention.
What do you mean now?
Now listen. If you tell me the truth between you and that white man.
Don't keep quiet. Informer, what are you doing with this bomb food? What are you doing with this bomb food? Look at him. He called himself a man. Take him to youth department. He's a youth. Take him to men department. He's a man. What are you doing with him?
Okro, the only chief
No.
America.
Don't praise me. Tell me what you're doing with this bag of rice. Don't you know this man is a bag of rice? Is it because he has 2 legs?
Don't talk to him like that. Come.
Who is he?
Wait now. He said he wants me to help him tell Adolf to put him in Adolf's house and give him job.
What's your job? What's your job? Which other job is that in that house apart from the one I'm occupying? Tell me. And you, let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Whoever has sent you, you walked out from wherever you were to come and take something that belongs to me. The only means of my survival, you want to come and take it away. Whoever that told you, whoever that asked you to come and take that place away from me, go and tell the person that it won't be possible for you. Jesus. Who is Jesus? Oh, Jesus sent you.
What is he talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. Choir master. You call yourself a choir master. Is this place church? Aren't you supposed to be in the church? What are you doing here?
Okoro, don't abuse a man of God.
Which of the
Don't
God?
abuse me because I'm working for the law.
Which of the God are you doing his work? The Omariko, the shrine that is in your compound. Or the Omariko, which of the God, the tree in your compound that you're serving, is the God you're working for? You, Ifoma, are you going home with me or you want to go with this bomb food? Are you leaving this place with me or you want to live with this bomb food? I'm talking to you. Come here, and you, next time.
Design, Mr. Designer. The same route to somewhere is no route to somewhere. Mr. Designer. Tell him make mistake, he go call him star. A station time prevents a fall of tear. The
It won't be nice for someone to just come to the house unannounced. It might seem disrespectful. You know how Papa is.
Ezinne.
Mama.
Ezinne. I was not born yesterday. I think I know what all those overseas boyoyos, what they used to come and do to girls in this village.
Mama, you don't know Eche. You have not even met him before. Mama, Eche is very different.
That is what they always say. He is different. He is different. But at last, the Obodo Igbo boys will come back, use them, and dump them, and run away.
Mama, did I just hear you say that? That is not my portion in Jesus' name. It won't happen to me.
And that is why I am trying for it not to be your portion. Because you know who your father is. By the time he must have gone around the village and announced that her daughter is getting married. And at last, they will not see the person. The person will run away. So you better leave Jesus out of this and make use of your senses.
Mama, me, I don't understand.
Hey, shut up your mouth. I don't understand. I don't understand. I am trying to make you understand that all these overseas boyoyos, all they do is to use girls, dump them, and run away. That is it.
Okay, Mama. What about Ifi's case? What of Ifi's case?
Nini mene kifi. Nini mene ya.
Mama. Oh.
For see the way Okoro do in face when I tell her say you give that boy work. Just he say like shit.
Okoro can be very funny.
Funny now. Very funny.
You were having fun. That's why you did not come early to see me.
I had to go for my dance fiaza. When I got to that place, I now told them to give me permission so that I'll come and see you. But you know when we got to that place, they were saying Ifi wants to marry Americana. News everywhere, everybody not saying it too. I want to marry Americana. Good thing now, you're not happy.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay, our marriage together. It's okay. Very soon, we'll have children, and our children will be like Oyibo, fair, like you. Oyibo, I will go to America.
Don't you think we should start practicing how to have the children?
Not now. When you come marry me, finish now.
I'll come with a lot of things. Let's just...
We'll be out of Shilama rushing. No, why you do?
No, I'm not rushing.
Wait. After our marriage.
I understand.
What's funny now? Why are you laughing?
Ekwem, you don't want Papa to come and cut your trouser again, Abi?
Huh? I beg, listen, I don't even want Papa problem right now. But why are you still awake? You're supposed to be sleeping now.
Ekwem, I am waiting for Papa to come back so that I will give him the good news.
Good news? Come and tell me. What's going on?
Adolf said he's going to marry me. He confirmed.
Adolf, marry you? Wait, is this supposed to be a breaking news or what? But I thought you told me that...
See, I told you that time that because I know they sure that time. But now I am very, very sure. Adolf confirmed and said, Ifi, you be my wife. I am going to be your child wife, Adolf.
Come, Ifi, you will take them easy with all these your small lies.
I never lied to you. I am your sister. I can never... See, if I lie outside, I can never lie to my brother. Adolf said, you are going to be my wife. I will be on your child wife, on your channel, Adolf. Hey!
Since you get happy,
The Lord is the Lord. Amen. He has risen from the dead. He is the Lord. Hallelujah. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord. All right, stop for yourself. You're welcome to today's rehearsal. Who can remind me what we had the last time?
Choir master.
Oh, let's go with it.
To God be the glory.
Good. Clap for her, please. All right, so open your hymn book, Sacred Songs and Solos, number 23. Please, everybody, remember all the mistakes you made the last time. Oh, don't repeat it today again. Oh. Sorry. One, two, go! Wait. Tenor singers, there's a place people are making mistakes. That thing should be supposed to be. I don't know what people are saying there. There's a mistake there. It should be. Use your head voice. Please correct that place. Let's repeat stanza 1. Please correct that place. I'm sorry. It's just a little mistake.
You don't have to be sorry. I suggest we all go, man.
Yes. Oh, no, you can't. Let's continue.
Is it now obvious that all is not well with our master? So I would suggest, as members of the choir, let us all find out what is wrong with him. Yes.
Deborah, who told you that all is not well with me? Are you a doctor?
Choir master, it's very obvious. I'm going to be sharp again here. I'm going to be sharp again.
Please, sit down, please. Please, I'm sorry. Just a little mistake. Just that my hands were not just moving as it's supposed to be. Let's continue our practice, please.
Then concentrate and play it well.
Come on. Keep quiet. Mind what you say in the house of the Lord. This is not a marketplace. Please, I'm sorry.
Master!
Local. Well, you know how it is. They do local things in local places.
Nigga, damn it, man. I want some bushmeat.
I don't think they have bushmeat around here, but let's check for local palm oil and all that.
Yeah. Nah, man. Give me some beat, man.
All right.
Man, you run my system, man. Come on, do this shit, man.
Tiketi.
Yo, this is me and Rock. Nigga wanna get to fight. Just, oh, nigga, I'll be my life. Oh, please, man. It's too much, man.
Let me do this beat again, all right? You ready?
Music is too much for my body, yeah, man. Yeah.
All right.
Cool. Right?
Tiketi.
Yo, holy shit. This girl is too beautiful to my liking. Yo, damn it.
You're welcome.
Hello, Mamacita. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sure you're fine. So tell me, what do you have in this local place?
No. I want some champagne. Pour champagne, nigga. This is how we do it in New York. Me and Shaggy, we are rocking this. Oh shit, nigga, don't know how to pour this shit. Nigga. Oh my god, damn.
Nigga, slow down.
This is how we roll in New York.
I know. Just relax, man. They don't do the local things around here, man.
God damn it.
Nigga, I know. So tell me, you have the white stuff you put in glasses. What do you call it? The palm wine.
Yes, palm wine.
Shaggy, man, I say I want some champagne, yo.
Man, nigga, they don't do champagne here. Relax.
Damn, man, let me go to your level.
So tell me, pretty, do you have the white stuff you put in a white glass or something? Or you call it palmy, yeah?
Yes, palm wine.
Is it as sweet as you are?
We have palm wine, sir.
All right, you have palm wine, sir. All right. Why don't you just hurry up and get me that palm wine, the sweet one. All right. Hold on. Before you step aside, shake that thing your mama gave you. Like that. Don't remove it. Like that.
Remove that hand from there. Let me see clear. Uru doing that shit.
You take some up here. That's what I'm talking about.
Before we roll this shit, man.
Man, nigga, what's some Uru shit you talking about? Man, nigga, but guess what? And do you know what baffles me? The sister's just gonna get married to one white man and they're gonna forget about the stuff. They're gonna forget about all this thing. They're gonna forget about this country. Just gonna stay fly over there in the UK.
Nah, man, Shaggy, man. There is one thing, man.
Okay.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. I'm gonna marry this girl. Before you know that white man get so much money, man. Before you know it, that money will flow, come our side, we'll use it flex.
Look, you don't know nothing. And nigga, I know this babe. She's just pretending to be in school. She ain't in no school, man. She's a prostitute, man.
Stop that shit, nigga. This is my girl. No, this is my intended girlfriend. Why would you call her a bitch? Why would you call her a prostitute? That bullshit. Shit, what's wrong with you?
And nigga, you don't know nothing. I've been there before.
Damn. Shaggy, what's up with you?
Nigga,
you rolled that shit. You rolled that shit. You didn't tell me.
One shot.
You didn't call your homeboy.
Now you know you roll from the back.
You bad nigga.
You roll from the back.
One man the poison is another man food. Waiting you reject you, another man go chop a move.
Papa, you alright? This one you did not go to work.
My dear, I did not go to work. How could I go to work when there's no work to do? Okorocha bought a new bicycle. That's a Okorocha. Before I could walk one pool, Okorocha would have circulated the whole village, taking all the customers. I cannot cope.
Papa, that is not a problem.
Very big problem. In fact, that is the biggest problem of my career.
If your daughter is telling you it is no longer a problem, Papa,
I'm going to do Commerce America.
Because I am going to tell Adolf to build big designer house for you.
You are trying to pull my legs.
Oh, well, he said anything I want, he will do it for me. Or this Ilonyocha.
My daughter, if this one happens, there is nothing I will. In fact, let me reserve what I'm going to do in return to you people. If this thing happens, build a fashion house, designer house for me. In fact, that would be requiem for Okorocha. He will die early death. Buy a fashion house for me. Do you
build, big one. But for he is ill on your child. It's not easy.
Are you telling me how many people are married to white people in this community? In fact, throughout the whole environment, nobody. They were mad.
Get out of this place.
I beg. This is heavenly baptism. Hi. Oh, you get soap?
What do you mean? Get out of this place.
No, as it be, I never bath since morning. So now when we say don't shower me with blessings from above, give me soap, make I take water. Give me sapo put.